So, in a UMO, which are likely to be unlearned? A, the response and the value altering effect. B, only the response. C, only the value altering effect. Or D, neither the response nor the value altering effect. So, the correct answer here is C, only the value altering effect. So, in a UMO, the value altering effect is unlearned because it's related to survival. So that's the part that, like food, is naturally reinforcing unless we are already satiated from eating because that's related to survival. That's the value altering effect. So let's assume that the UMO is that we're hungry, right? We're deprived of food. This is an unconditioned motivating operation. The part that's going to be unlearned is that being hungry makes food a more effective reinforcer. The part that is probably learned is the increase in the responses that get to food. So the responses that actually get us to food are probably learned. Like when we came out as babies, we probably didn't know how to like open the fridge and make a sandwich, right? Or ask a grown up for a sandwich. But we learned those over time. So that part is usually learned, where the actual change in the reinforcing effectiveness is usually unlearned. That's part of our genetic makeup, our species history. So remember, unconditioned motivating operations are events, operations, and stimulus conditions that are value altering, motivating effects that are unlearned. So the value altering part is unlearned, but the response that gets us whatever it is that we now desire is probably learned. This is one of those ones where this is a perfect example of like, you can know it, and then there'll be a question like this, and you're like, I feel like I've never seen it before. But it's not because you actually don't know it. It's just like a deeper understanding of that. So it's not just knowing like what's the definition of a UMO, it's being able to apply that. Like, does that apply to a response or what part is unlearned?